Another change to Idaho's healthcare standards is coming next month, one that will directly affect kids with autism who rely on Medicaid. I'm neighborhood reporter Ali Tripke, and I sat down with providers at a Boise-based behavioral clinic who say this shift could be detrimental for most of the kids, teens, and young adults they serve.
ABA treatment helps my child start speaking again, being able to be toilet trained.
Board-certified behavior analyst Yorenka Sunderland has worked one-on-one with kids on the autism spectrum for decades. Now, she and her husband and business partner Brian say they're frustrated with what they call discriminatory changes from the Idaho Department of Health and Welfare.
I've had families that were in tears.
Last month, the state announced that starting in December, families on Medicaid will no longer be able to access nationally recognized applied behavior analysis, or ABA therapy. Instead, they'll use a system called CHIS. The Sunderlands say the change could leave some Idaho kids without the treatment they need most.
And so they're redefining it arbitrarily. And by what authority, I have no idea.
The pair estimates that the shift would impact 80% of the kids they serve in Boise.
You know, there's an issue of parity there. There's an issue of fairness, really. And that's what we're really, really concerned about. Alongside with, you know, a lot of ABA professionals in Idaho will be forced to move. They'll have to go to other states.
The Sunderlands tell me Health and Welfare didn't proactively inform parents of the change, so they had to.
They were feeling like second-class citizens.
With new Medicaid reductions, the majority of families they work with will also see significantly lower treatment reimbursement rates, leaving many without critical early intervention support.
There's a huge chance that your child's going to regress. They're going to lose their language. They're no longer going to be able to be flexible and manage and cope with stress. We're not able to work on certain things like that anymore.
Health and Welfare did not have an answer for me on why kids on Medicaid won't qualify for ABA treatment in Idaho. Ali Tripke, Idaho News 6.